Good afternoon, brother. So, brother, how have you been?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
I am also fantastic. And last few days, I try to connect it with you. When I see your message in this group, so I think that one day I'll be connected to you. So finally, we are connected.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much giving me this wonderful chance.
Thank you, brother.
Okay. So without going deep conversation, introduce yourself.
Yes, brother. Yes. Why not? So, brother, my name is Zakir Hossain, and I am belong from Coachbihar district, which is located in West Bengal. And even I am working in West Bengal Police. And last 1 year, I have been practice speaking English.
Fantastic. The way you introduce is really remarkable.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Myself,
Yes, brother. Yes.
I'm born and brought in UP. Now I'm connecting to you Gurugram, Haryana. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done graduation in 2012 and I have done also diploma in mechanical. Right now I'm working person. That's about me. Thank you for
You are
asking.
working person. So, where are you working?
Actually, I'm working in a Maruti Suzuki company. It's car company.
How long you working there?
Actually, it's been too long, my journey. Actually, I have started my journey 2012.
2012.
Okay.
Now 2025.
Yeah.
It is long distance, a long time.
Yeah, okay. So, you are mentioning you are job in police.
Yes.
So, how long have you been working there?
So I have been complete my 8 year service in police. 8 years, and I got this job in 2017 after complete my graduation. So you can say after my graduation I got this job, and I am blessed with my job, and because I don't feel any kind of extra pressure after graduation, especially the boys are feel think that when I got a job, even the family pressure, and this is the perfect time. So it is thanks to God, and I got the job, and currently I am blessed. Even I am blessed with
Yeah.
one daughter. She is 3 years old now, and everything going is fine.
I think police is a really good job. I think police job is a good job. But they have under the control everything. So I would say police job is I think remarkable
Yes.
job.
But brother,
But-
police have lot of pressure. So you
Yeah.
have to maintain law and order, ensure the public safety.
Like something. So everything is not possible. But you are under the control. But you need to find out proper solution.
Yes. It is not my
Okay.
under my it is not under my control. It is controlled by the law. I just maintain. I
Yeah.
the people. You just maintain it. It is the order by the government, not government. It is order by law, according to the law. And we just explain to public. You just maintain it. If you don't maintain it, it will be illegal. We just suggest them, advise them. You have to manage it, and you just maintain it. If you break this rule, then it will be violation, and even it is and against the law and order. We just
Crucial because if you not maintaining law and order,
so we
so
just
I think
yes, brother.
go ahead.
Carry the order according to the law. We just maintain it, and even if you need help, then we help the people and ensure them. And we always try to maintain the situation of the society, a real situation, and we know that how to maintain it. And public has so many opinions. You just express, and public controlling and the public drill is very difficult for the every person. If you control the public situation, you cannot be solution the one by one. If you solve one problem, then another person called you, sir, I have a problem, you solve it. But at the same time, you cannot solve the so many problems. But at the same time, so many incidents happen there, and we just maintain everything to save the place and ensure the area, ensure the society. But some people are think that police are not working, but we are involved in 24 hours. If anything happened in your
Yeah.
area, at first police visit there.
Yeah.
Then the public, and
Yeah,
police
right.
control the situation. After that, people are abusing police, and sometimes they are treated. You are not working here, but we know that the duty of police, because we are involved
Yeah.
in 24 hours, and we
Yeah,
have
right,
a lot
right.
of responsibility, and we know the real situation.
Yeah, your opinion is 100% valuable because we are standing 24 hours to solve any problem, any situation. Good job.
You can say it is good job, and we are meeting with everyday new people, and every people have new idea, new problem, and we just face a lot of things mindset, but we solve everything quietly, and even we everything ensured and safely.
So, sir, actually, you are in the police, and now this time you are working very well. And and how did you learn this language? And why you learning this language? What is the reason behind? Because you already job, you have already job.
Yes.
So why you learning this language?
So, brother, there is no specific reason behind. In 2023, India host G20. There was a meeting about tourism department in Siliguri, and as a police person, I was security there, and lot of delegate come from the various country, and they only speak in English at that time. And two people asked me something in English, and I couldn't speak with them, and even my sound is breaking, so I just express my thought in the art. That's moment embarrass for me, and I think that if I working in police, I have to learn this language, because nowadays so many people they are speaking English. They think that police don't know English, so that's why I commitment with myself. So I have to learn this language anyhow. So suddenly I start it in middle of December in 2024, and currently I am trying to improve my speaking English, but it is very difficult for me, and sometimes I get confidence when I speak
Yeah.
with me, and sometimes I feel very distracted, and when I watch English related video on YouTube, and some people they are share their opinion. I learned this language in 3 months, 2 months, 6 months, and I feel very embarrassment. So I think that I can't improve my speaking English, and that's why I feel demotivated. But sometimes I motivate myself, Zakir, you have to do this, and if you practice it,
Yes.
then you can improve.
Yes.
But it is a difficult task for me, and but I try to improve my speaking English, and sometimes my mind goes blank, and I couldn't speak with the perfectly, and I just express my thought, but sometimes I cannot express my thought clearly. Even sometimes people don't know what I want to say, but I always try to improve it, but it is a difficult task for me. So I hope that if I practice regularly, then I can improve, but I have no time, a specific time. Today I am free when I have a duty
Yeah.
at 4 p.m. So when you message
Yeah, right.
this group, and I think that this is the perfect time to connect it with you. That's why I join with you.
Thank you so much for connecting me. I'm really glad to see you because you are as a working police profession and you are learning English remarkable, and you are I can see your face. There is no fear, there is no hesitation, there is no any doubt. You are able to speak properly and you can give convey a message through anyone. It's a
Yes. So if you practice regularly, then you can improve. And sometimes because English is not our mother tongue, that's why we can't speak English properly. And sometimes, and even at the initial stage, it is very difficult to asking question someone. Even if I ask question to you, then my question is not clear, but you can understand my opinion, what I want to say. But
right.
we are manage it, because both are beginner. Our question pattern is not well, but somehow I manage it to continue our conversation. So if you don't
Yeah, right.
practice, so we can't continue our conversation. So when I first time I meet through the GeoMeet app with one person, I speak only 5 minutes. After that, I think that I have a no question, and how can I ask question even I think that my answering is not good. My mind goes blank, and even that time at first I think it and I translate in my head. Then I express my thought. But currently I am able to express my thought. But sometimes I am fumbling. What vocabulary is not clear, but somehow I manage it.
No problem.
Then I can improve.
No problem.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
I can't improve it.
Yeah. It's really good. Because without practicing, without managing everything, it's not possible
Yes.
to learn anything else. First of all, you need to certify yourself and you need to increase yourself. I am motivated.
You just motivate yourself and
Some question actually like any institute are just to start your own self learning English.
it is my self effort and I don't take any session from any institute and even any teacher because I have no time to go coaching center and I improve my speaking English and it is my self practice and most of the time I watch English related video and sometimes I try to express my thought and what I do in the whole day I just explain my day and in this way I am trying to improve my speaking English and sometimes when I express something new I got some new words and I stumble but I can't improve it and I can't convey my message then I think that and this kind of word is very essential for me and I note down on my notebook and I try to make 10 or 5 sentences through this word but I can't remember while I am speaking in front of the people over the video call but suddenly I don't follow any advanced word I just convey my message in the simple way and those what I already read in my academic session and when I recalled those words and I easily recall those words and because I already read those words and I always try to make a sentence in the simple way and which is very helpful for me and then I feel very attractive. Yes, I have a capability. I can speak English and I am able to speak in English. But somehow it was sometimes very difficult. You can't speak fluently and some people when you watch English related videos, some people they convey their message very easily and I am think that he is a native English speaker but when experience and he share it is he improved within 6 months 4 months but I feel demotivated and I think that I can't improve my speaking English it is very challenging for
Not only you, everyone who start this journey to improve your English. So it's really like sometime earlier time I've also faced lot of problem like you. Like sometime I get stuck, sometime I very nervous, and sometime my mind also goes to blank. Ki what I'm saying right now and what
yes, it is happening.
if you someone ask me related to English question, so how can give answer properly?
Yes, it,
If you know English, so you can easily get attract the other people as well as
Yes.
and you can get also good job also and you also give and you can take also respect to other people.
yes, English giving you extra opportunity for your working person
Yes.
and you can reaching out with people very easily. If you visit South India and you don't know Malayalam or Tamil, if you know English, you can solve your problem very easily and we can communicate it with your with people and I have a problem and how to overcome this problem and how can I solve this because English give this extra opportunity.
And if you want to go abroad, like job related, like business related,
Yes.
so first you need to focus on your communication skill
Communication.
because without communication you can't get attract the other person and you can't get also job. This is also advantage.
If you have communication
Yes.
skill then every multinational company give you job because at first they are searching English communicator person because when you speak in English you can communicate it with the foreign client very easily so at first they focusing on your communication skill so how much you have communication skill and how can you handle the situation with client and how can you manage everything at first communication is very important for multinational company. No, so there is no English environment. I only practice English speaking through the video call. Sometime YouTuber, sometime GeoMeet app, and even the Microsoft Teams application. But there is no English environment. Even we are talking with our senior officer, but we are speak only in Bengali because our mother tongue is Bengali and everyone is speaking Bengali. That's why English environment is not available here. But we can everything manage in Bengali language.
So if you will get opportunity to talk with a senior person, so that time, what about your moment? What about your reaction?
So if I get the opportunity to speak in English with my senior, then I will be grab the opportunity because it is very beneficial for me if I speak English with my senior.
So that time you show I am capability. I have more capability to solve any problem. And did you understand? I am not do anything. So it's you.
So when you speak English and your confidence will be improved. So when you speak English in front of the people, even in the public place, so you can get the confidence and it is extra benefit for you and no one harassed you. And when you speak English, people think that this people is very strict and he is a very smart person. Everyone will be calm when they are try to reaching out with you. They are when they ask something anything, they speak calmly. So they think that the police person is very strict person, even the person is very smart, and I have to behave with him in the good manner. Sometimes English gives you this kind of opportunity, especially advantage.
Definitely, education and communication is never ending.
Yes.
Okay. If you have good command of English language, if you have good education, give you chance to attract you other people as well as and give chance you get a job also. Yeah.
I think that English is always very helpful for every person. When you speak English in front of the even in the public place, you are everyone person think that this person is very educated, you are valuable person, but no one think that English is just language. So if you have passion.
In India,
Yes.
only in India.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you have passion to speak English, then you can improve your speaking English. So at first
Yeah.
we need passion, willpower, and consistency. So consistency. keeps
Without
the success.
consistency, first you maintain your consistency and you do regular practice to improve your English language. Okay, this is the only way to improve your language. And when you try, when you can go through like a blog video,
Yes, yes.
like a record video, and you can describe something new. Like when one time you observing new things, so you can try it own self.
Actually, if you want to improve your speaking English, at first what happening around you, you just explain those incidents in English. Then you can get some new words, even a new vocabulary, and which is very helpful for you. And you can learn so many things in the real life situation. So at first you have to practice English in real life situation. When you practice practically, then you can learn lot of things. So practice consistency and you practice it in the real life situation.
You are 100% right, because if you practice with real situation, so you find out you can easily understand real situation. And now this time I think we have multiple like environment, you have multiple platform, like you have mobile phone, you have like many app also available in Play Store. You can go through, you can start your journey. First time you feel nervous, first time you
You just promise with yourself. So anyhow, I have to learn this language, and if I practice regularly, then I can improve. So at first we need willpower, and most of the person they start learning English. After 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, they feel demotivated. I can't improve my speaking English, but it is happen with every person, especially for me. When I start it, after 2 days, when I try to explain my thought in English, I can't explain it, and even I can't express my thought, even the idea, and I feel demotivated, and sudden that moment I stop it. So I think that I can't improve my speaking English, and it is not happening with me. I fully stop it. But after 3 or 4 days later, I realize if I don't practice, I can't improve. So then resume again my work. So I think that this is my journey, and if I have consistency, then I can improve.
Yeah, right. I see your face. There is no doubt. There is no fear. Okay. So I think you are only person. What is the meaning of English language? Okay. If you know what is the meaning of English language, so you can get a better result to in future. So you know very well. So if you have any question, so please ask me. Okay.
Brother, at the initial stage, it was very difficult for me to asking question someone, but somehow I managed.
No, I'm already told you there is no any doubt. You are to solve any problem. I think I see your face. Okay, so don't say like this. Ki I'm not.
What kind of method do you follow for learning English?
Actually, you know, I'm already told you. Okay, I'm also job holder, so I have no specific time. Okay, not fixed time, but I believe that speaking, I follow this rule, and mostly time I English content, and I watch some related to like a blog video, and sometime I watch movie related to English. This is my
Yes. For learning, you just utilize your time. So when you are free, you watch English related video, conversation, podcast, lot of video available on YouTube, and currently internet give us this opportunity, and this is the advantage of internet. Use it on the right track, you can gain lot of things. So if you watch reels video again and again, you just scroll it, and you will be past 1 hour 2 hour if you use your time in the perfect way. So if you think that if I watch English related video and conversation video, you can get lot of idea, and your mind will be trained to speak English. At first, we are not able to express our thought because of English environment. So when you watch English related video, the environment create automatically, and you can express your thought. Sometimes we know the meaning, and sometimes we know the vocabulary, but we can't express our thought. That is environment. Our mind is not trained to speak.
Because of confidence, because you are not maintaining confidence, that's why your thought, your idea not goes to your mind.
Yes.
Okay.
4 p.m. So we have to disconnect the call.
So I really certified you from your side.